Hi everyone, Mr. H here. I'm a math teacher at Coke. I'm teaching 8th grade and Math 1 classes. In this video, I want to tell you a few things about our schedule as distance learning classes and also what to expect in my class. Okay. Alright, now let's talk about our distance learning schedule. Okay, I try to be as precise as possible. Okay, so first of all, if you have me in period 1, 3, and 5, you will see me on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday, we're gonna have live instruction, which means that you have to join in Google Meet. You're gonna interact with me, you're gonna answer the question, you're gonna take notes, and also work on the example. Okay, on Wednesday and Friday is for period 2, 4, and 6, which means that if you see me on Tuesday and Thursday, you won't see me on Wednesday and Friday. However, Wednesday and Friday, you will have Alex assignments. I will have the tutorial YouTube video go along with each assignment on Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so which means that student and half me in period 2, 4, or 6 will see me on Wednesday and Friday. So it means that you have Alex on Tuesday and Thursday. It's the same thing like period 1, 3, 5. You will have tutorial video ready for you through Google Classroom. Monday, you will see all your teacher on Monday. Every class is 25 minutes. Okay. Tutoring hour is gonna be every day except Monday. I will be online available to answer your questions from 1:10 through 2:30. Okay, so if you don't have any question, you just want to do your homework with me, you're welcome to join in my Google Meet and then work on your Alex. If you have any question, just get my attention by click on the hand raise symbol, or you can also type in Mr. H, I need help on this questions. Okay, so and I also have the tutorial video to show you how to take a picture of your math questions so you can send it to me so we can look at the problem together. Alright, so that's it for the schedule. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Alright, now let's talk about what to expect in Mr. H's class. Okay, so first of all, I'm really organized teacher. Everything gonna be ready for you in Google Drive, where you have your notes. If you have homework on paper, it's gonna be in there. Any material gonna be in that Google Drive. Lesson gonna be ready in 2 or 3 weeks ahead of time. So to see how I set up my Google Classroom, click the link down below where they say Google Classroom tutorial video for parents and students. Okay, so look at that one, watch that one to see what to expect when you see my Google Classroom. So let's talk about our assignment and grade. So first of all, let's talk about homework. Okay, to me, homework is really important. It's just like you learn any language. You hear the word at the first time, so you know what it is. It's just like you learn math at the first time by mimic what I'm doing. But then you have to repeat it multiple times. You have to say that word, practice that word multiple times until it's become your word. So it's just like math problem, you have to practice it until you fully understand how to do it. Okay, more practice you do is create more habit to do that problem. When you see that problem, you know what to do, you know what to expect the step gonna be. So that's the reason why we have to do homework. Okay, so homework mostly gonna be on Alex, and the convenient things on Alex is unlimited retry. If you do it wrong, you can go back to redo it again and again. It's no limited how many times you want to do it. Beside that, they have the explanation to explain step by step your problem, or you can look at the example. It's similar question with step by step of the solution. So to see or to understand how to work with Alex, again, click on the link down below. I have Alex tutorial video for parents and students. So you can look at that to see all the tool and how I use Alex in our class. Okay, so homework is 10% of your grade. The next one, projects, is 15% of your grade. So projects is just like after you learn a word, you have to put them in sentences and you have to learn how to communicate with other people using those words that you learned earlier. So the projects is just like you learn your math problem. Now how do you apply it in real life? How do you apply it in the different way, not just only pure math solving step by step? So projects is something fun, something involve the math that you learn. Okay. Projects is 15% of your grade. Classwork and notes is 20% of your grade. So make sure that whenever we have live instruction, I take attendance. If you come in and come out, I know I have the record for that. What else? All the notes you expect to do is write your notes. If you have stylus pen, that would be perfect. So you can write straight on the screen and keep the record on the screen. If you don't have stylus pen, copy it out on the paper, take the picture of your paper and post it to Google Classroom. All the live section will be recording, so please use appropriate language, stay on your best behavior. Okay, now we're going to talk about quizzes. So to me, my goal is for you to learn, so I'm gonna focus on your learning. With your quizzes, you can redo it as many times as you want. Most of quizzes gonna be on quizzes. It's the fun game and you can go back as many times as you want. My goal is for you to learn. So quizzes gonna be 25% of your grade. Now test is 30% of your grade. I normally give students 2 attempts because when we do tests in class, the test is too long. We cannot finish it in one class time. We normally have 2 days, so you have 2 attempts. Now we have online instruction. It's going to be 75 minutes long. I'm not sure if you need 2 attempts, but I will think about it. I may give you 2 attempts on your test as well. This message is for Math 1 student. As Math 1 student, you need to be work independently and responsibly. Okay? If you have any question on the lesson, on your homework, please reach out, get my attention. We will set the date. I'm going to sit down and help you out with the question that you need help on. Okay, Math 1 is the high school content, meaning that you skip A grade content. Therefore, the requirement is you have to get a B or higher to stay in Math 1. If you get C or lower, we need to talk to your parents to move you back to your on grade level, is A grade math class. You will be way more successful in A grade math class. Because sometime at this moment, at this time, it's so hard for you to learn Math 1. It's okay, you can catch up in high school. So at Math 1 students, you have the challenge test at the end of the school year is the cumulative of all chapters that we learned throughout that year. If you get a C or higher, you will earn a high school credit, you will earn college credit, you will get 1 year waiver for K-12 requirement in math class. And if you pass my class, Math 1 class, you will go to Math 2 in high school. Normally, if you get an A, 95% or higher, I will recommend you to Math 2 honor in high school. Alright, that pretty much it. Thank you everyone for watching and see you on the next video.